Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell if I vote for anybody that gotta know. Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impala.
What's up, good morning guys, how are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. It is cold, as you can tell by the beanie, the thick jacket. It is absolutely freezing in here. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering, like, where's the videos? Where's the updates? I've got a lot of DMs on IG. Yes, we are still doing YouTube, but I did take a little bit of break. I did take a little break away from YouTube and the filming, and I had a few good reasons for that. And on top of that, I actually, if you guys catch some weird glares going on in this video, it's because I broke my camera lens. So, excuse that. I haven't got one, I haven't had a time to replace it yet. So you're gonna kind of get some weird glares going on because the screen's cracked. So bear with me on that, guys. On top of that, we just had so much going on with the holidays, with work going on here. We actually got some new employees here. We've been in the middle of training, and I just didn't feel that it was right to be filming their every move while they're still getting used to and getting comfortable onto what's going on here at the shop. I decided not to film that whole process with them. Then on top of that, we've had the holidays going on, so of course I've been like all over the place with, you know, a child and a family and everything going on here. So I just decided to kind of step back from YouTube a little bit just this month. I will be back on it 100%, and on top of that, I gotta get a new camera lens, so bear with me, guys. But in good news, things have been absolutely freaking crazy here. Seriously, like beyond crazy and busy. But we've had a few setbacks, just like, you know, normal business. Then on top of that, we have been so busy that we've just been having a trouble on keeping up with keeping product on the shelf, which obviously is a good thing and a bad thing, you know. So we've been working our hardest and our best to get everything going. Right now it's officially like 30 degrees over here, which is cold for us California people. So it's a little hard to work in these conditions when we're getting used to the new warehouse, which has been making things colder. One of the big uh-ohs was, well, somebody had broke the machine. Unfortunately, we had the carousel bump and bam, crash, boom, bang, bang. I don't know how this whole thing works, but it crashed, it doesn't work, it's broken. We have a repair guy coming in, hopefully within the next few days, because everything's been busy and back scheduled and back ordered on product. So hopefully we could get this repaired and fixed ASAP. And well, you guys have all missed the great man Vic right here.
Morning.
He had finally come out of the
Winter.
Oh, I was gonna say, yeah, okay, yeah, that's a good one too. I wasn't gonna say closet. We just want to wish everybody that you guys are all watching, wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Again, thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you guys are still on here, or you guys are OG followers from the beginning, from the super crappy Razr phone, flip phone, pixelated videos, thank you guys for that. If you guys are new subscribers, thank you guys for joining. This page is making a great progress upwards, and it is overwhelming at times. So it's a little overwhelming at points. That's the reason why I kind of took the time off. I want to spend more time, especially around the holidays, with my family and stuff like that. So hope you guys understand that. If you guys don't, I'm sorry. Anyways, let's cut to some clips that I haven't posted or shown from some things that we've been doing here around the shop. Also with a major, huge upgrade on our camera systems, multiple systems here. So let me show you guys some videos of that. So they're running all that all the way up there through the offices, drop down. The forklift right now, and they're running a few more cables up across the cross beams, way up there. Looks like they just sold another frame kit. Work on the new program. Get all bushings done up. Still cutting away over here, as you guys can see. We got a lot more to go. We're barely tapping into the bottom side of the first batch. Now we're also working over here with Art. Art's dialing in that program, and he's finally getting some pieces off of there. Alright, so here you guys go. So only like 5,000 more of these to go. Focus. There it goes. So we finally got the bushing thing all dialed in, so now we're producing bushings off of that. So every day that's going to be running. Because of the amount of bushings that we're selling, pretty much no one's keeping up as far as all these machines. So we had to dedicate one specific machine strictly just for bushings at this point. Obviously down the road we're going to set it up with other stuff, but this machine has just been something that we purchased that's just been sitting. Hasn't really had much use out of it, but now it has a dedicated item for it. So this one's specifically going to be bushings. It's easy. Anyone can pretty much run it at this point. So now we're focusing on getting the last of this is actually the fourth frame kit today. We thought we were only going to do 3. We ended up getting to the 4th one. One sold as a walk-up customer, and then these are all shipping out. So that is all done. Guys, we're pretty much almost done with all the cameras. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're there. There's 2 above me here. They're running another one in this back corner. There's 4 cameras over here. There's a total of like 50 something cameras now in here within the building. We added in facial recognition, so it gives us a profile for everyone that walks in. On top of that, it gives license plate reader for the whole parking lot. So pretty badass system. Not cheap, I'll tell you that. Definitely not cheap, but well worth the money. So this machine's still cutting away right here. We also got the camera guys back over here, CCTV Micro. They just pulled up. They're actually going to be installing some more cameras out on the outside. Again, let me get there. The lighting's better. Tons and tons of cameras getting put in. On top of that, Vic's still working over here. Yep, working hard. Yep, Dustin. Hey, Molly Maid. You hiring? So we got a whole bunch of whammies coming off right now. That's gonna finish off the run of whammies as far as cutting. Now we gotta toss up bushings, right? Bushing material, because we're running out on the other side. There's those whammies, there's those whammies, and we gotta get bushing material done over here as Charlie's working on a whole bunch of big body and G body lower plates and front reinforcements as well. Putting more cameras up, more cameras. Get it. So right now we're working on tons and tons of frame kits. I think we have a total of 3 orders that have to be built, cut, cleaned, and then time saved. So that's keeping us busy right now for sure. As you can see, the machine behind me is just cutting away. We have Gary over here just wire wheeling away. We have kits lined up right there. And then we got another cart right there as well. So we're definitely staying busy here, guys. And we gotta keep moving on this stuff before the rain comes. All right, guys, I'm super excited because the final piece of the puzzle just showed up. We've been kind of holding these back for a while. Now we can finally get to show you guys. Let me show you guys what we're talking about. I'm gonna show you guys what we have in store right here. This is a standard pump. Sorry for the glare, I told you guys my phone's messed up. And this is our extended tank. This extended tank is gonna be already available in chrome. Comes with the rods and it's gonna come with the backing plates. Because obviously these rods aren't gonna work with what you got going on here. So this is gonna be an extended tank. We'll get you guys measurements on it right now. Go from lip of the tank right here. You're right about 8 1/4-ish. It's probably a little bit more. It's probably about a 1/16 over that, but about 8 1/4 on the standard tank. On the extended tank, you're a little over 11 inches. So that shows you guys the difference here. Again, we're going to be offering these on the website. By the time this video goes live, these are probably already going to be up on the website, just so you guys know. But definitely cool. This is all for the guys running the big telescopics. Even if you want to run this just for a different look, just for a longer look, you could definitely run this as well. But this is definitely going to be a game changer for everybody, because right now people are struggling getting it up. So again, talking about telescopics. Ever have a problem getting it up? Once told me he had a problem getting it up. He came to me once and told me he had a problem getting it up, and I was like, man, that is a horrible issue to have. I'm sorry. You know what? No one should ever deal with a problem like that.
Get it up.
I'm sorry if you can't get it up, but things happen, life happens. Sometimes it's just too big to get it up. I figured, you know what? We need to help Vic. We need to figure out a way for him to get it up, and we came up with the perfect solution. Now Vic could get the backside of his car up all the way, because he had telescopics back there, and he was struggling getting the backside up all the way because he didn't have enough oil. Here's a standard tank right here. Here is our new extended tank. This tank is extended out. It's 11 inches. So you have a lot more oil reservoir in here, and on top of that, it makes things a lot easier. It's already done. It comes with the rods. You could buy it with the backing plate or without the backing plate. Don't be like Vic. Now available on the website. So right now we're finishing up the final details here on the Maki. The Maki came back to us after it toured SEMA. Then from SEMA went directly to Ford, and then from Ford it went to LA Auto Show. I kind of drew a blank on that one. We went to the LA Auto Show, and obviously at SEMA it took best of show there, did great. So we're just coming in doing some final details, some cleanup, and now we're pretty much getting ready to ship off to this new owner, or to the owner, not the new owner. So we gotta get some plastics on, get everything all dialed in right here, and let me show you guys what we got. So what we're doing right now is we're getting everything all cleaned up from after us. This car originally came black. Then when it left us, it went to the body shop. They got a little bit of overspray, not much. They did really, really well, surprisingly, for as much stuff is here. So we're just kind of doing some cleanup on some of this stuff and change up some of the hard lining. But we got it all dialed in. It's all ready to roll. We just gotta get plastics back on it now. I get plastics back on here, and I absolutely hate getting plastics on these new cars, because it's like they literally make these to be like a one-time use. And see, got a clip right there. I hate doing this. Ugh. All right, there we go. It is satisfying once you get them all in, but it's a little sketchy getting them. All right, we got one more. One more right here. All right, there we go. That one's on. We got these two little guys left, and then we got this back one left. All right, there's that one. And there's that one. One more. that's officially all of them on. That officially does it for the Maki. This one is done. Gotta close it up. I am gonna give it a rinse off, but right now it is actually raining. I just want to get any type of dust or anything that's on there because this is a fresh Porsche orange that just got painted. It literally hasn't even hit the road yet. It's been at SEMA and Auto Show, and that's about it. And inside the trailer, the transporter. So I definitely got this cleaned up and wiped up. Show you guys the interior on this one. Got the interior all covered up in plastic because we were coming in and out of it. But yeah, we got 4 bucket Recaros in here. Custom orange seat belts, matches everything. And then you got the airlift controller here, which I gotta mount back up over there. But we are officially done. Alright, so now we are officially jumping back onto the trailing arm builds. We got a lot of trailing arms we gotta build up. We got ASAP rush order we gotta build up for our good buddies over at Homies Hydraulics. They got a car coming in. They need trailing arms for it, so getting those cut up right now. As we're cutting them, notching them, they're literally falling off right there. So we got a whole bunch more being cut up. Buckets and buckets loads of Z-brack hinges. Staying busy, y'all. So we got all those trailing arms all tagged up. We did uppers, lowers, and drop downs for, like I said, our good buddies over at Homies. Those are all done. We just cut a whole bunch more on the saws, so those will be ready for production. Then on top of that, we have more frame kits being cut out right now. These things, as soon as we think we're caught up on it, boom, orders come in like crazy. So trying to stay caught up on that. Gary's working on them right over here, and then over there they're working on in the shipping department. They're working on getting 4 pallet orders ready to ship out right now. Things have been crazy, so we're just trying to keep up right now. Cheers, guys, to Vic's 50th birthday. 50th?
Big 5-0.
Not 50?
Not 5-0.
What is it? Alright, guys, he's 43. Happy birthday, Vic. Happy birthday. And looks like we got FedEx Freight just showing up right now, so we got Vic getting them loaded up right now. We're all closed up here, officially time to go home, and you know what? I'm tired. The guys are already gone. Vic's still here. We're about to take off right now. But I do gotta say, appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys. Hope you guys all have a safe New Year's out there. Thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. There's the Maki. Hopefully she goes home tomorrow. And we will see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. I'm out.